My computer is not working, and there are a couple of videos that are on there on the GoPro that I've already filmed. I did a replacement of the windshield wiper motor, and I installed some KC spot beams on the Jeep. I'll show you those real quick right now. I don't have the computer back, so I can't really do anything with that footage, so I just have my phone. But I do have some stuff that I can shoot on that, and I'm going to do it real quick. The shift boot in my Jeep is broken, so I got a new one. It's actually what I asked for one of my gifts for Christmas from my girlfriend's mom. She thought I was crazy, but I use it every day because it's a manual. And mine's busted. It's like a 2-piece plastic ring, and the plastic piece is broken. So I've got that, and then the shift knob itself, there's a little like retainer ring at the bottom. That's always rattled, and it's driven me crazy. So I thought about just replacing it, but to replace it was almost the same cost to get some aftermarket ones. So Sickspeed is a company that makes all kinds of different shift knobs for a bunch of different automakers. So it's a matching, I guess it would be technically this way, shift knob and transfer case knob. And they're this cue ball finish. It's not painted, so it'll never wear. And they come with adapters for whatever size shifter stick you have, and then a couple of bases. And there's just some little screws that screw it on. So this little piece here screws in the bottom of that. It's all threaded, and then you tighten it down. It's in a little box, little sticker, as most companies do. Super tiny. It was quick to ship. They said it would take like 2 weeks. It only took like 4 or 5 days. So we'll set up the camera and we'll do this real quick. Now, the Jeep is really fucking dirty. The plastic piece goes over it. Screws onto the bottom of that. Slides over that thing. Wonder if you need to push the sleeve in first. There we go. All right, that makes sense. That's on there. And then so you can tighten everything down. Shit. Shit. Well, that didn't work very well, did it? Huh. That's 4 low. It's neutral. There's 4-wheel drive. And then see, it's in 2-wheel drive, but the little adapter adds a little bit of length to it. I don't know, they feel really cool. I couldn't get this one in all the way. They're okay. I'd say they're like 3 out of 5. Like I said, they look like a lot of fun. They're cool, but I guess they look a little more cheeky than they're thought out to be. I'll probably have to clean up those. You can tell my Jeep is really dirty right now, but I'll have to clean up these and paint these to get them back. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about them. Is that the normal amount of play for a transfer case? This is, I mean, that's standard. Shift knobs are okay. Fitment's, I don't know, fair. I had work earlier, and that's why it's dark. They're on. They fit. They feel better. It makes the throw like 2 or 3 inches more. Not a huge deal, but I wonder if there's a better way to go about it. Or maybe someone has an option different than that one. Like, their products are really cool. I just feel like the application, I don't know, kind of feels half-assed. I don't want to say that about a company, but I don't know. If you guys have any other companies that you've used for aftermarket shift knobs, or just a really good replacement for the stock one that you have on your JK, let me know in the comments below. Feel free to share experiences. I feel like it's just not a very popular modification with Jeep owners because I didn't find a whole lot of info on it. Most people probably just change like the standard stick shift handle and not also the transfer case lever. I wanted them to match because, I don't know, they should. It would just look weird if it was just like the standard transfer case knob that comes on the Jeep and then like the white one or a rock or whatever the hell you want to put on the shift knob. So, I don't know. I mean, you get really drastic and like physically cut like a piece off of the shifter, but then there's like really no going back. So I don't know if I want to do that. Unless people have done that too. If you've like heavily modified your shifter, let me know. I mean, I guess I could do that. But that would be more so to make the 2 that I just put on work. So I don't know. Sorry for the mediocre quality. Like I said, computer's in the shop, so I don't really have anything to edit on right now, except for the phone, which I've done a lot of the editing on, but I guess video quality would be better with other cameras. So, Happy New Year. Thanks for watching.